कुछ दिनों पहले मेरी मॉम दुबई आई। उन्होंने मुझे एक बात बोली जो मेरे दिल को छू गई। उन्होंने कहा, बेटा मुझे पता था जब तुम छोटे थे तो कुछ बड़ा करोगे, सक्सेसफुल बनोगे, पर इतना जल्दी सक्सेसफुल बनोगे और इतनी बड़ी सक्सेस हासिल करोगे ये मैंने सपने में नहीं सोचा था। And hearing my mom say this, that I know that you will become successful, but such big success in such a short period of time, let me tell you, this was a very emotional moment for me. So we went around Dubai. I showed her different places. She flew by business class, great pickup, drop, business launch, Burj Khalifa. We did a lot of cool stuff and we took photos, shopping, so many things we did. And this is what she said. When I saw her expression, I was really touched. Why am I sharing this with you? Is because I was able to provide this life to make her see the life, Dubai, lifestyle, money, affluence. अगर मैं जॉब में होता तो I don't think this would have been possible. Yes, I can still travel to Dubai, yes, but the amount of financial success, success in my business, success in time freedom, time I could give to her, gifts I can give to her, I think that would have been different. And to her, it's not about the money. To her, her biggest happiness is, yaar, mera beta successful ban gaya. My son has become successful. And this is the happiness I want to enable you so that you can give to your family as well. But ye job mein nahi hoga. If you're in job, you will continue to trade time for money. You will not be able to travel. You will not be able to save time for your family and health and whatnot. And this is why I created this framework called Passionpreneur framework, which is a step-by-step process which anybody who is in a job follows it would be able to find their passion and convert that into a business. You don't trust a word I say. Just see for yourself. Spend 3 hours with me. Come with open mind, open heart, and see how does this work. If you're watching this video for the first time, let me tell you, my name is Dev Gadhvi. I was in a job for 16 years. I come from a very poor family. My mom sacrificed so much. My dad sacrificed so much. My dad is no more, but my mom, seeing her happy face is the true wealth for me. And I hope I can share some of the processes that I followed with help of my mentors that can help you to create this happiness for your mother, your father, your loved ones, your wife, your daughter, your son. Click the link. Join the webinar. I'm on a mission to transform 1 billion lives, and I hope you're one of them. I hope to see you in the webinar. Take care.